Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for the support and watching us. Today we'll show you guys on Mercedes W211 E-Class. If your sunroof gets stuck open, you're on the highway and you're wondering how to close it because it's going to rain or something, or you just need to close it until you get home so you can mess with it, we'll show you how to manually do that, guys. You need the crank tool, okay, which is pretty much an Allen wrench. You can actually use a regular Allen wrench, to be honest with you. And usually those are located with the tools under by the spare tire there. Ours was in the glove box, so always check the glove box as well. You never know where the previous owner put it. Okay, and now guys, okay, right here you can see ours is stuck open. So if you remove that cap, okay, right here, with a small screwdriver, you need to pop it open. Okay, then right here, okay, there is a place where you're going to insert your Allen wrench. Okay, like that. You can see where it is. And now check out the sunroof, guys. Okay, you can see. You can manually close it. You can also manually open it if you need to. You see? Like that. It's hard, it takes a lot of effort, to be honest with you. Okay, but it's doable. So that way, if it starts raining, if it's not working, you know how to do it, guys. We have a video where to find the fuse for the sunroof as well if you need it. So all you have to do now, okay, you need to get the cap in place and you need to make sure that everything's in good so it doesn't break. Okay, like that. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.